Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. This presentation is intended to provide you with an update as to the high-profile criminal case that is currently proceeding in the state of Idaho, styled as State of Idaho versus Stacey James Wondra. The entire docket is available for the public's review in one convenient location at no cost on the State of Idaho's judicial branch's Cases of Interest webpage. This case deals with the tragic disappearance back in 2021 and presumed unaliving of Michael Vaughn from nearby his home in the small town of Fruitland, Idaho, located near the Oregon border. In 2025, Mr. Wondra was charged in connection with Michael's disappearance and presumed unaliving. And there was, as we reported, a preliminary hearing held before Magistrate Judge Lee with the goal of the state of Idaho persuading the judge in an open and public proceeding that Mr. Wondra should be bound over for trial based on the evidence that was presented in open court. Judge Lee made that ruling. After he did, the case was transferred from the Magistrate Division to the District Court Division. However, Mr. Wondra's motion to disqualify the District Court was granted. That was filed back on March 11th, 2026. The order to disqualify was entered early on the morning of March 12th, 2026. There was a statement that another judge would be assigned. There has been no other judge assigned to the case as of this date. Additionally, on March 20th, 2026, a notice of cancellation of hearing was rendered in this case based on the order to disqualify the district court judge, Judge Gabriel McCarthy. The hearing that has been canceled was the arraignment proceeding set to occur on April 15th, 2026. In addition to that arraignment proceeding now being, for want of a better term, in a state of suspension until such time that a new judge is appointed to oversee the matter, we'd previously advised you that the state of Idaho served a request for an alibi demand. And the state requested that this response, discovery pursuant to any alibi demand, responsive to any alibi that Mr. Wondra may raise at his forthcoming trial, be served on the state of Idaho by March 20th, 2026. A review of the docket as of this date does not reveal that there was any motion challenging that request for an alibi, nor is there any notice of compliance that appears on the court docket from the defense concerning the request for details for discovery relative to a potential alibi defense, which may be raised at trial. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise in State versus Wondra. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.